All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to uh, another session of our live trading. So, guys, it's a new week, and I'm pretty sure that if you make money from the previous week, you must have spent it during the weekend. And this week is another, opportunity for you to make more money from the forex market. So, guys, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market and I'll be providing free signals when I get a good entry. All right. So make sure to have a real account. Make sure to have a real money in your account. Okay. Don't be a demo lord. All right. So trust me, my analysis and the signals I give are very accurate. You can try it out with your demo, but I'll advise, don't waste your time. Trading on demo is like, wasting one's time. So make sure to fund so that you can open the position on the real account. And another thing is, if you fund on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. So I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. To become a member of this premium group, what you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. So to do that, you just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit up to $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right. So guys, let's utilize this opportunity. See, this kind of opportunity doesn't come often. So I'll advise you grab it, become a member of the premium group. If we have a premium member here, I'm sure they can testify to, the trades we've took over the week and the profits we've made. Even on Fridays, after the news was released, we got a profitable trade afterwards and we made a lot of money. All right. So guys, fund your account with at least $10. $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks, as I've said earlier. $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, and $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, and then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So yeah, that's it. Let's see. Let's take a look at the chart and see what's going on. Let's see if there's an opportunity for us this morning. I mean, that's what we are here for, right? So let's quickly take a look at what's going on. Let's start with XAUUSD. Gold is my favorite pair, all right? So if you are a gold lover, let's start with the gold. Let's see what gold has in stock for us. I'm pretty sure today is going to be great. Yeah, gold actually went to my direction last week. So I had predicted that gold was going to buy. Gold did bought rather. And you see, gold bought to this level. But before the buy move, gold actually came down to take out liquidities, okay? So, and then I didn't actually give this signal because I knew gold was going to make, such move because of the news event that was going to be released. Because the data was saying that gold is going to buy. Gold, was pointing to the positive direction, which is the bullish direction. And then the analysis on the chart itself was saying that the gold is going to sell. All right. So we had conflicting, analysis, chart analysis, and the fundamental analysis. They were conflicting. I mean, there's no clear direction of where the market was actually going to, go. So due to that reason, what I did was I just stayed away from the market until after the news, after the data was released. All right. So when the data was released, the news, the candlestick actually went down, and that was how we got this long week. All right. So the candle came to this level, took out liquidities on this level before making the bearish move. So when it got here, the market started buying immediately. All right. So you see, it bought to this level, and then the other candle that was created was also a buy. So this is another way to trade the news, and I give the signal live on our live stream. So if you are fortunate enough to be part of Friday's live stream, I'm pretty sure you made money. And aside that, I also send it to the premium group, and I was able to update them immediately. The market. Oh, sorry, we took the trade on GBP USD. All right, not XAUSD. So we opened the position on GBP USD, but the news affected them the same way. It also went bullish, and we made profit. So, yeah. So right now, the market is currently back to the zone. All right, the market is currently back to the zone. We have the support order block below here, and I'm expecting the market to reject this level and continue to go bullish. All right. So this is the 1 hour time frame of XAUUSD. Now let's jump to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what the 30 minutes time frame have in stock for us. So we have a clear liquidity purge here, because as you can see, the market came down massively to take out liquidity on this level. So we can use this as our liquidity purge, you know, just label it, and this can be our change of character. Okay, this can be our change of character. So this is our change of character. This is our liquidity purge. And what we're expecting from this right now is we want the market to come into this level, get into the 50% of our fair value gap, and then, continue to go bullish. So this is my entry point. This is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Here's my entry point. This area will be my stop loss level, and my first take profit will be on this level. So my first take profit is usually 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. So my first take profit will be on this level. I don't want it to, get to this other block level. And then my second TP is going to be at this high, because I strongly believe that the market is going to continue to go bullish. All right. So it's going to go bullish and it's going to break this level. All right. So that's why I'm predicting, I'm making this level my second take profit level. And this is 2.39 risk to reward ratio. I can actually increase it just to make it a bit, favorable. Yes. So yeah, this high, you can use this high. It's still within the trade range. Okay. So this is 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So yeah. So now the next thing to do here now is, to patiently wait for the opportunity, wait for the reversal. And once the market is reversing, we can then open a buy position. All right. So this is the 30 minutes time frame, as I've said earlier. Okay. All right. So as I've said earlier, we need to wait for a rejection. Okay. So we need confirmation before we open a position. All right. So we have the fair value gap, then we have the order block. And as you can see, I've set my stop loss below the order block. All right. So I set my stop loss. I took my entry from the starting level of. I think I should decrease this a bit because I'm pretty sure the market is going to dive in deep into the 50%. Okay, so I can actually set my entry around here. Okay, yes, my entry can be there, right there on the level. So now let's go to the, all right. So I think the market will get to this point. Yes, I think the market will get to that point. So my stop loss, I can now reduce my stop loss to this level. And then my take profit, yeah, I can also reduce. Okay. Right. So in case the market decides, to go haywire, my take profit, the market is going to take second take profit around here. Then my first take profit, I can also reduce to the level where we have another block. So we have another block here. So I'm just going to reduce it to this level, okay, which is quite reasonable, right? So these are my so these are um, so this is my analysis for XAUUSD. All right. So you see, making analysis is not really easy because there are so many things that is attached to it. You want to make sure that your analysis is no analysis can be 100% correct. Okay, that is one. And but you want to make sure that whatever the case may be, you have a story behind your analysis, and you want to make sure that the story is interesting. All right. So I used to say forex trading is all about telling stories. If you are able to tell the story behind what has happened previously, trust me, you can easily predict the future. Okay, you can become a seer when you can tell the story. So I've just told the story behind XAUUSD on the 30 minutes time frame, and I've shared everything that is to be shared. All we need to do now is to wait patiently for the market, allow the market make it settlement. Is trying to create something around here, so allow the market to settle down, and once it's taking off, leaving the level, then we as the retail traders, we can follow. All right, so we are all retail traders. The big boys are the banks and the big companies, the big industries. All right. So now let's proceed. Let's go to another instrument. We'll just come back to check on this. I mean, we have less than 15 minutes to the end of the current candle. So hopefully this candle goes inside this level. I want it to come into this level. Okay, I want it to get in here. Not reversing at the top of the level. I want it to get into the 50% of the fair value gap. So this is the 50% of the fair value gap on, this is for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this level here where my crosshair is the 50% of the fair value gap for 30 minutes time frame. All right. So we'll come back to check on, our analysis later before the end of our session to see if we have a chance. So let's proceed. Let's go to the next option here. All right, so we have SOLUSDT. This is the Solana against the United States data. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on with this on the 1 hour time frame. All right. So we had different level of rejection last week, and it seems the market is going to continue from where it stopped. Okay, so this is actually the crypto market. So the crypto market works 24/7. All right, it runs 24/7. So after the rejection here, you see the market actually made a move. Okay, came back to this level where we have the fair value gap, and I think it got into the 50%. Let's check. Yes. Okay, so it didn't get to 50% actually, but yeah, it did dive into the fair value gap, and since then the market has been bullish. Right, let's go to a larger time frame. So on this time frame, we can clearly see that this was the level I had anticipated, last week. I thought the market was going to sell from this level, but when the market got here, you see it went above my predicted point of interest. Okay, so the market went above my predicted point of interest. Made this small move. But if I had set my stop loss anywhere around here, you see the market would have, taken me out. So then I figured the market was, trying to reverse from this level where we have fair value gap, okay, inverted fair value gap. So this was my thought after the market took out this level. But it turns out that the market still had its own plan. Okay, the market rather had its own plan. So when the market, made a move to the inverted fair value gap, now my thought was, okay, so the market had finished, the move. What's going to happen next now is the market is going to start selling. It actually sold for 2 hours. Okay, sold for 2 hours straight. But the next hour, the market started buying. All right. So it bought to the level where we had our previous point of interest. And as you can clearly see here, you see the market broke the point of interest, giving the bulls the power, to continue to go bullish. And then the market continued to go bullish until it got to this point. So this is where the market reversed and then started making bearish moves. So the bearish move got to this point, and then you see, got to the level where the market had previously taken off. Okay, down, other block. So the market went back to the other block. And what happened after getting there? After getting there, you see, the market started printing bullish candles. And then we have this long spike that just happened recently. Let's go to the lower time frame. So this is what we call displacement. Okay. So this kind of displacement now, what we expect the market to do is This is just showing that we have a very strong move in the market. So anywhere there's a displacement, market is, going to come back into such level, retest the point of interest around the level before making the obvious move. And the obvious move here is bullish, all right? So the market is going to come back to around these areas. And then once, the market gets a proper confirmation, proper uh, rejection point, the market will continue to go bullish. So now let's quickly make analysis. I'm going to draw my trend line. I see that, there's a trend line that actually looks good with this level. Okay, so this is my analysis on Solana USDT. I strongly believe that the market is going to come back to the fair value gap below and then continue to go bullish. All right. So for this also, we have to wait patiently for the market to make the obvious move. I mean, you can't jump into the market when the market is still trying to make it, move. So let's analyze another crypto instrument. You see, one thing with these cryptos, the crypto pair are they have similar moves. Okay, so if one of them is selling, you see almost all of them will sell. Almost 90% of them, 90% of the other crypto pairs will start selling. And if one of them is buying, same thing, almost all of them would buy. So what this simply means is you can, analyze one crypto pair and then make confirmation with the other one. If they are going to sell or if they are going to buy, they don't actually make the move the same time. Okay, so they give time, and BTC USDT, can be bullish right now. So when you make analysis on Ethereum USDT, you'd figure that yes, it's going to go the same way BTC is, heading towards, but BTC is already buying, and Ethereum is looking for, point of interest, to support its buying move. So with this kind of thing, you can actually, make an analysis from one, then use the other one to make confirmation. All right. And that is what we're going to do with Solana USDT. Now, Solana is buying. Let's make analysis from BTC USDT. Let's see if this is also on buy. All right. So you see what I said? You see what I just pointed out? You see? So this is also buying. Okay. And the move is even bigger than the move on Solana. All right. The move is bigger than what we have on the Solana. Okay. All right. So let's check BNB USDT. I think BNB USDT is, do I say it's faster or is slower than the rest of them? Not in terms of, volatility. In terms of the movement, I think it makes its own move later than, other crypto pairs. So you can actually analyze BTC USDT and then wait for BNB to make it move to jump into, if the analysis you've made from BTC is saying the market is going to buy. All right. So if the market is going to buy on BTC USDT, is most likely going to buy on BNB USDT. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. So once you know that BNB USDT is going to buy, you just need to look for, the point of interest where you can jump into the market. All right. So Solana USDT is buying. BTC USDT is buying. I think Ethereum and ETC, those two are also buying. Yes. So you see, Ethereum is buying. ETC USDT will also be on the buy move. So you see, this is also buying. And let's go back to BNB USDT. So you see, this is what I'm saying about BNB USDT. We already have a mitigation here, and this is also looking like as if the market is mitigating. This is a level that the market had previously moved, moved from. This is a previous support zone that got, broke to the downside, and then we have the market retesting all of this level. So right now the market had again broke the level to the upside. So I think from this level, the market is going to buy. I think the market is going to buy from here because this kind of look like a retest to me. Okay, this kind of look like a retest. The market broke out, making a minor retest on the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what is going on the lower time frame. Okay, so on the lower time frame, you see the market is trying to get back to this level. This can be a retest, or the market, would maybe want to come back to this level, retest this level before going further. Okay, so you see what I was saying about market making similar moves. So BTC USDT is buying. So Solana, Ethereum, ETC, they are also going to be on the buy move. Okay. This is one of the reasons why I find it hard to trade the crypto instruments. Not like I find it hard to make analysis. I prefer to trade, assets that are not similar. So for me, I don't trade all the crypto instruments. What I just do is I pick two. And the reason why I'm picking two is I want to make analysis on one and I want to get confirmation from the other one. So I mostly trade BTC, USDT, and Ethereum USDT. And then aside those, I also trade gold and then GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, Euro, USD, and Euro, JPY. Okay. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say. I know you say those also have GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY also have similar moves. Yes, as I've said earlier, if you want to be, a profitable forex trader, you need to look for another pair, that correspond with the pair you love to make analysis on. So if they have similar moves, you can actually make analysis from one, and then use the other one like some sort of confirmation. So that is what I do. All right, that's how I make my own analysis. Okay. Now let's go back to AUD, XAU USD, our gold. So let's go check our analysis on gold. All right. So gold is still playing around. Okay. I don't think there's any volatile news for today. So the market movement is going to be very slow and very sluggish. All right. It's going to be very slow and there's going to be a lot of consolidations. But yeah, doesn't mean that we are not going to get our own opportunity from the market. Just make sure, make analysis and don't rush. All right. So let's make analysis from the Forex pairs. Okay. I also love to trade the USD JPY. This pair is crazy, guys. This pair is crazy. So I think the market is going to start selling from this point. All right. All right. So let's continue, guys. So let's go to the higher time frame. I want to see the overall direction of this trend. Let's see if the market is going to continue the same way. So this was initially an uptrend, okay, but the trend changed when it got to this point. Okay, we had a reversal, and the reversal was, confirmed with this long candle. Okay, let's not use this long candle because this is just a week, and for me, I prefer where if I'm looking now for a breakout, I want the breakout to be, with a body of a candle, not the wick of a candle. Yeah. So it's very important because wicks are for rejections. Okay. If you are using wick, if you are the type that use, the wick of a candle to judge the direction of a market, yeah, you can actually use it to judge the direction of the market only if you are looking for a reversal. Okay. Or there's a breakout and you are waiting for a continuation pattern. But in case where you are looking for a break of structure, please don't use the wick of the candle. Okay, use the body of the candle. So now, this long candle with the long wick, yeah, this is not a valid, break of structure. So the valid break of structure is this level. Okay, these candles, that close below this. All right, so now we know that we have a reversal on the higher time frame. Let's drop down to the lower time frame, step one step at a time, right? So we are currently on the 2 hour time frame. Let's quickly see what happened after the reversal, after the change of character. So this level can be our liquidity level. Okay, so we can say we had liquidity here. We had the liquidity pool, and the market took out the liquidity. Okay, so the market purged the liquidity there. And then we had a market structure shift, okay, which is also known as the change of character. So we had a market structure shift, and the market has been going down ever since then. All right. So now let's let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Every time frame has its own story to tell. So on the 1 hour time frame, we had a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure. We have another break of structure here. So as I've said earlier, I don't use the wick to determine my break of structure. I like to use the body instead. So we have two, break of structure, and they aligned well with the market structure. All right. So for me, I don't think this is I don't think this is a rejection. I think the market is going to be, I think this is going to be, sorry, I don't think this is a continuation. This is a reversal, rather. So if it's a reversal, what is going to happen here is this market is going to go above this level. So this area is going to be our market structure shift instead, and then we'll be looking for buy opportunities. All right, but what I'm currently seeing here, I think this market is going to continue a trend to the downside. Yeah, I'm very much aware that we have the candles all aligned together. Okay, so but on the lower time frame, we want to wait for a rejection. Okay, a proper rejection that is going to guide us on the market direction. So, guys, this is my analysis for JPY, USD JPY. Let's drop down to the lower time frame. I want to see, a rejection. And once we get a proper rejection, we are going to open the position. So we have another block. And as you can see, the market is, reversing from this other block. Okay, so we need another confirmation with the 5 minute candle, 15 minutes candle rather. So we need another 15 minutes candle, to close below this our bear cross. Okay, so this is called a bear cross. If you are familiar with the candlestick patterns. So bear cross is also known, I think this can be considered as a bear cross. Okay. This is a better bear cross. Okay, this is a better bear cross, bull cross rather. So this is a better bull cross. So bull cross is like, the bullish in the middle of a trend, right? The bullish engulfing candle in the middle of a trend. So that's what bull cross is all about. So if this is a bull cross, then that means the market is going to continue to go up. But I hope not. And I hope the market closes below this level. Once the market closes below this level, yes, we are opening a sell position immediately. Okay, so and even on the 5 minutes time frame, the market has failed to grow to close below the moving average has failed to cross above the candles. So I need the candle to close to go below the moving average. I want the moving average to cross the candles. So that will be another, indication for bearish trend. So once we have a close below the moving average, we can open our position immediately. All right. Okay, so while we wait for the confirmation on USDJPY, I think we should continue to make more analysis on other pairs. All right, so USDJPY. Yeah, let's quickly take a look at our XAUUSD trade one more time. Yes, and as you can see, the market is heavily dropping down. I mean, it's heading towards the 50% of uh, the fair value gap. So, guys, let's see what happens before the end of our session. So, once we get a proper rejection, we're going to place a buy position. So this will be our take profit, and this level right here will be our stop loss. I think we can still reduce this a bit. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. So we can actually open a buy position right now, but I'm not the type that jump into conclusion. All right. Um, uh, don't get carried away by your analysis. Your analysis may be wrong. Okay. So that is why getting proper confirmation before opening any position is very, 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 very important. Right? So for this, we are going to wait until the market rejects that level. Once we get a rejection, we open position. Okay? But aside that, no opportunity. So let's quickly take a look at the GBP pairs before we end our session for today. So the market is already making the obvious move. Um, so the GBP JPY market has been bearish, sorry, has been bullish. And as you can see, the market, even till now, the market is still very bullish. And then we have this dominating candle, okay? This long dominating candle on the 4-hour time frame. So let me mark out the candle zone. So I know for a fact that this is going to be a bullish move. But let's go down to 30 minutes time frame and see if there's anywhere around here that the market is going to make reversal to. Okay, so we do have one. We have this level. And how many more minutes? Okay, we have just 6 minutes and few more seconds left to the end of this candle on the 15 minutes and 30 minutes and even the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Yes. So trust me, this is going to continue to buy. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you see we can see things clearly. We have this level and the market is currently, you know, making moves. Guys, I think we should open this trade. I think the market, yeah, let's open this position, all right? So let me give you the go ahead before you actually open the position. Guys, this is going to continue to go bullish. I think we should open our position from here, right? Um, yeah, let's place a buy on GBP JPY. GBP JPY buy now. So let me copy the take profit and the stop loss. All right, so do not be deceived by the current move of the market. Trust me, this is still going to be a bullish market. Okay. Okay. So let's quickly check on XAUUSD. Oh, sorry. Enter the take profit and the stop loss for this trade before I move to XAUUSD. Right. Right. So I believe everyone has set their take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Now, the time is already against us. So let's quickly check on, this before. Yeah. So you see, guys, my entry got triggered. Okay, my entry got triggered. This is nice. All right. I'm still not comfortable with, what I'm saying here. I think I'll wait until, I get another, probably a bullish candle closing above this bearish candle. Okay. So once I get a proper entry, be rest assured that I'm going to share the analysis and the signal to the BtcDana Telegram group. All right. So, guys, that will be all for today. Make sure to keep an eye on your GBP JPY trade. So once you start making good profits, make sure to go out of the market, close your positions. All right. Don't wait until the market, get to the TP. So yeah, that will be all for today, guys. We'll continue from where we stopped tomorrow. So make sure to, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.